Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Miss Cecee. Today I'm giving you a simple, easy glam, just makeup, no makeup, gets your skin but better. Just something easy and simple to transition from summer to fall. Guys, I love this makeup look. And if you're interested, I hope you'll love it too. So as you see, we look a hot mess, so we have to kick this off right. Now, the longest they take in my routine, whether it's everyday or full on glam, is my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Covergirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Rich Brown. And guys, if I miss anything and telling you anything, everything will be in the description box below. Now, this is a rich brown shade. My color has changed in my hair, so I need something that's not going to make my brows look ashy. Plus, I want to follow my natural brow line, okay? Starting from the bottom, filling any gaps in, using that spoolie to disperse the product everywhere. And since we are using two moisturizers today, I also have to use a primer with SPF. I am going in now with the Lancome UV Expert Aquagel Defense Primer. Y'all, it has SPF 50 inside. And I'm going to go on top of that with the Clinique Hydrating Primer. Now, this is a jelly, but I use it as a primer as well because it grips whatever product you put on top. Y'all, it's so hydrating and it's an anti-pollution hydrating jelly. Can't go wrong with that. I'm going to color correct. Now I'm using the salmon and the orange shade in this black Radiance medium to deep contour palette. Y'all, I love it. It's not too heavy on the skin. It doesn't slip. I am blending that into my skin as I pat that on because I'm going to go strictly into concealer. I'm not using any foundation. And the concealer I'm using today is the Born This Way in the shade Butterscotch. It's more of my skin tone. When I'm doing this look, I like to have something that's basically my skin tone but will give me full coverage. Therefore, I don't have to apply as much makeup as I normally will on a full glam. I'm going right on top of that color correcting shade. Now, once I apply that, what I'm going to do is go in and contour. Now, I'm going to contour the perimeter of my face, the hollow points of my cheekbone area, and down in my jawline like I normally would on any other makeup day. I do this to give dimension, not actually to chisel, but to give dimension to my face to make it look like my face is well put together. Now, I do my nose with as well. That's optional for you guys. You know, you don't have to do that. So I'm going to blend that out with a cyan cashew sponge. I am going to blend out the jawline first and work my way up. Okay, notice I did not do the cheekbone areas. I want to make sure I do the concealing part first under my eyes. And then I go in with a brush and blend out the contour in my cheekbone areas. And my nose, if you did apply. Blending the perimeter of my face and my cheekbones together, I am going to now blend out that highlight point on my forehead. Now, I want to make sure everything is blended, so that's why I do that. I go over that concealing part under my eyes to make sure my cheekbones is blending in to my contour shade. Moving in with a more lighter shade. This is the shade Honey. It's going to give me a highlight effect. Please, you do not have to do this. This is optional, like I said, but I actually want to look highlighted today. Yes, I do. So I use a more of a shade lighter than what I used before to actually conceal. This is just going to give a highlight. Not concealing anything, but just a highlighting effect. Because we're not going in with a lot of makeup, okay? So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to use the shade Medium in the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is my jam. I normally, will use this on a day-to-day basis anyway, but I'm just going to apply that on top of the concealing parts. Not all over my face, but right where I apply concealer. Now, if you want to, you can do this. This is optional, but I'm using natural beige to go ahead and give a little bit more of highlighting effect because once I set that concealer with that medium shade, it just looked like my skin tone. So to bring that highlighting back, I'm going to use a lighter shade, and this is the natural beige. Same brand, same thing, Conceal and Perfect, just another shade. So I'm just going to chisel, do a little reverse contour to chisel out those jawlines, because I just like to do that. That's optional as well. But I'm going to make sure my eyelids are matte because I am oily and my lids do get, kind of oily. So just going to make sure I do that. I'm using this Debutante shade in the Morphe bronzer. Y'all, this is so nice. And that brush, I wish I could find that brush and just link it down below, but if I can, I will make sure I do that, as well as all of the other products that I'm using today. But this brush is fantastic. Look how nice that brush is. So soft. Oh my God, so soft. I'm gonna highlight because, y'all, why not? It's the fall, winter time. Don't you want to look still, you just want to still look glowy? I do. I don't know about y'all, but I still want to look glowy. So I'm using the Lancome Luminous Gold 2 in the highlight. Y'all so pretty and golden. Oh, so nice. I'm going to bring back the chiseling of my nose. You know, just a little bit bronzer. I'm going to use that same bronzer shade on my lid because I'm not using no eyeshadows. I just want to make sure everything is matte. Moving on to lips, after I apply my eyelashes, I am going to be using the NYX Suede lip liner. This is in the shade Cherry Skies, just to, you know, give a little bit of color to my lips, you know. And as usual, dose of colors. This is in the shade On Repeat, my Norm, something I really, really love. I'm going to put some mascara on my eyelashes because I do have some powder on them. And I'm going to move on to my hair. Now, woo, this Edge Effect is so bomb. I got this from my local beauty. I got it from my local beauty supply store, y'all. This is some good stuff. If you have type 4C hair naturally, and it kind of curls up once you apply, and it got to be glue on there, or got to be gel, or any kind of other gel like the I don't know, Eco Style, and it still curl up, y'all, use this Edge Control. Oh my god, this is some good smelling stuff. Let me look at my bag so I can give you some deets. But it's for natural hair, curly or straight. So good. And it dries out pretty quick. But I do want to go ahead and wrap my hair, y'all. I got this from Alley Pearl from Instagram or Amazon. I think I got it from Amazon. Very nice, you know, little scarf. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and reapply that eyelash, y'all, and pop some inner corner highlight. Just using that same highlighter I use on my cheekbone areas, that Lancome. Put some on my nose, bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose. And as you've seen, I already did my Cupid's bow and my brow bone. Alright, y'all, this is it. Look good, put your little hair up in a bun or whatever. And y'all, I sure appreciate you watching. Please, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do and hit that notification bell right beside it so you can get all my newest uploaded videos. Thank you guys. I love you so much. See you on my next tutorial. Mwah.